The CX-60 tow pack comes with everything you need to tow safely and securely. Included in the kit is a chrome tow ball, a trailer wiring harness, a lockable CX-60 tow bar with 2 keys, and a pair of 10mm D-shackles. To get started, remove the black protective cover from the tow bar receiver. Next, take the tow bar hitch out of the bag. Ensure the hitch is in the unlocked position before inserting it into the receiver. You'll hear a noticeable click as it engages. Once that happens, lock it and remove the key. With your trailer hooked up, be sure to activate towing mode through the My Drive settings. You are now ready to tow. CX-60 petrol and PHEV models offer a towing capacity of up to 2,500 kilograms, while diesel variants provide up to 2,000 kilograms. When it's time to remove the tow bar hitch, simply unlock it using the key. Pull the knob out just enough to slide the hitch free from the vehicle. Don't forget to replace the black protective cover. Finally, return the tow bar hitch to its bag and you're all set to go.